Hello guys, I'm Cheriyan. Today we are going to learn some problems from differentiation. Okay, let us start. Yeah, some problems from differentiation. That is, the first one is find the derivative of y is equal to x cube. Okay, simple problem. First, today I'm going to show you some differentiation of some algebraic functions. Okay, not trigonometry function, only algebraic functions. See, algebraic. What is algebraic function? Algebraic function is y is equal to ax raised to n plus b x raised to n minus 1. These are algebraic function. The function contains the variable x. Okay. So y is equal to x cube. What is the derivative of y is equal to x raised to n? That is the first formula. What is that? dy by dx equals n x raised to n minus 1. Right? So the same thing. dy by dx equals, what is that? What is n here? N is 3 into x to the power n minus 1. 3 minus 1. That is 3x square. That is the first answer. Okay. Okay. Next one. 2. Y is equal to 6x raised to 4. 6x raised to 4. How can you differentiate this one? 6x raised to 4. 6 is a constant. So x raised to 4 is a variable. No, x raised to 4, x is a variable. So this one is a function. This one is just a constant. Okay. The easiest method is dy by dx equals, just leave the constant. You don't need to do anything. 6 into, what is the derivative of x raised to 4? X raised to 4 is, is like x raised to 3. 3x raised to 2. So the same thing. 4x raised to 3. 4x raised to 4 minus 1. That is, you can multiply 6 and 4. 24, right? 24 x to the power 3. 24 x to the power 3. Or, so if you have any question from this question, see, you can do like product rule also. 6x to the power 4. dy by dx equals, 6 is a function. Just consider 6 is a function and x raised to 4 is the second function. Just apply the product rule. First function into derivative of the second. X, what is that? X raised to, derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube times 4x cube plus second function into derivative of first. Second function is x raised to 4 times, what is the derivative of 6? Derivative of 6. Derivative of 6 is 0. How can you get 0? See, 6 means 6x to the power 0. 6x to the power 0 is always 1. 6x to the power 0. How can you differentiate x to the power 0? 0 times 0 minus 1. 0 times any number becomes 0. The whole thing becomes 0. Okay? So you don't need to do the product rule. Just leave the first function. You don't need to do anything. Then differentiate the second function. That is the easiest method. Okay? 24x raised to 3. So this is the second answer. I am going to erase everything. The next one. Okay. Y is equal to root x. Y is equal to root x. See, this one also you guys need to learn it by heart. Root x. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. I will show you how to get that. See, dy by dx equals, or you can write this one as y is equal to x to the power half. Okay, that's right. Square root of x means the power is half, or the index is half. Okay, dy by dx equals, what is d by dx of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. That is the formula. Okay, here n is half into x to the power half minus 1, right? Half into x to the power, what is half minus 1? Half minus 1. Half minus 1 is 2 by 2. I'm going to make the denominator same. Okay, 2. So just 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2. Negative half. Negative half. See, if you see any power like negative, it means 1 by x to the power 3. Just remember this. If x to the power negative half means, what is the meaning of that? 1 by x to the power half. Okay. So here 1 by 2. What is x to the power negative half? 1 by x to the power half equals 1 by 2. What is x to the power half? Simplified form is root x. 1 by 2 root x. So when you see the y is equal to root x, what is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. Just learn it like that. Okay. You can avoid these steps. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Easy. Next one. Third one. Third or fourth? I think fourth. Okay. Fourth one. 5x cube plus 7x square minus 2 root x plus 8. Okay. See, this is what? Y equals 5x cube plus 7x square minus 2 root x plus 8. Dy by dx. Dy by dx equals 5 into, what is the derivative of x cube? What is the derivative of x cube? Times, I am going to differentiate x cube. 3x to the power 3 minus 1 plus, see, write down plus, then 7 into, what is x to the power 2? Derivative of x to the power 2. 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1 minus 2 into, no, we just did, what is the square root of root x? Sorry, derivative of root x. 1 by times 1 by 2 root x. Okay? Right? Plus 8. Or you can write x to the power half x raised to half minus 1. Half into x raised to half minus 1 negative half. We just did this. Okay? It is better to learn what is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. That is, all the time square root of x square, so many things will come. So you just write down 1 by 2 root, whatever inside the square root, write down. 1 by 2 root here, 1 by 2 root x. Okay? Then 5 times 3 is 15, x to the power 2 plus 7 times 2, 14, x to the power 1 minus 2 get cancelled, 1 by root x plus 8. That is the answer. Okay? 2 get cancelled. 1 by root x plus 8. Got it? Next one. Fifth one. Fifth one. X to the power of y is equal to x to the power 5 divided by 11. See here, you can use the quotient rule, or no, you don't need to use quotient rule because 11 is a constant. So the easiest method is dy by dx equals, 1 by 11 is a constant. Okay, 1 by 11 divided by 11 means 1 by 11 times x to the power 5, right? Just find out the derivative of 5, x to the power 5. 5x to the power 5 minus 1. That is 5, 1 times 5 is 5 divided by 11. X to the power, what is 5 minus 1? 4. Okay. Or you can apply the quotient rule. What is the quotient rule? Quotient rule, d by dx of u by v is what? V into du by dx, I am going to write u dash, okay? Minus u into v dash by v square. V dash means derivative of v. U dash means derivative, or u complement means derivative of u. Okay? Here I am going to apply the, see, this is the answer. This is the easiest method. If you have any question, then I will show you how to use the quotient rule. X to the power 5 divided by 11. What is that? Dy by dx equals u, v. What is v here? V is in the denominator, 11. 11 times derivative of u, derivative of the numerator. That is x to the power 5. What is the derivative of x to the power 5? 5 times x to the power 4. Right? Then minus u. U means numerator. X to the power 5 times, what is the derivative of the denominator? Derivative of 11 is 0, a constant. How did you get that? 11 means 11 times x to the power 0, right? 11 means x to the power 0 is 1. So 11 times, I am going to write 11 equals 11 times 1. Is it right? So 11 times 1 is what? X to the power 0 is a constant. 11 times, what is x, derivative of x to the power 0? 0 times x to the power 0 minus 1. 0 times 11, 0. The whole thing 0. So that is why the derivative of a constant is 0. So you don't need to write that. Divided by 11 square. Okay. 1 11 you can cancel out. 11 divided by 11 times 11. You can cancel out 1 11. Okay. So 11 is in the denominator. That is the answer. X to the power, 5x to the power 4 divided by 11. 5x to the power 4 divided by 11. That is the answer. Okay. So my suggestion is you guys need to learn this. This is the easiest method. Okay. You don't need to apply the quotient rule because 11 is a constant. You can avoid 2-3 steps. Okay, next one. Y equals 6x raised to 8 minus x cube plus 5x square minus pi cube. Okay, this is easy. Okay, dy by dx equals 6 is a constant. Just leave it. What is the derivative? Derivative of x to the power 8 times 8 times x into 8 minus 1 minus, see, minus x to the power, what is the derivative of x cube? 3x square plus, what is the derivative of 5x square? How can you do that? Leave, because 5 is a constant, just leave it, times, what is the derivative of x square? 2x to the power 1 minus pi cube. What is the derivative of pi cube? Pi is a constant, 3.14, right? 3.1415. Okay, that is the derivative of a constant is 0. You don't need to write anything, minus 0. So then simplify. 86, what? 86, 48 times x to the power what? 8 minus 1, 7 minus 3x square plus 5 times 2, 10x. That is the answer. 48x raised to 7 minus 3x square plus 10x. Okay, next one. Y equals x to the power 4 minus x minus root 2 by x minus 7 into cube root x minus 5 by x cube. Okay, first I am going to rewrite everything, okay, because cube root x is here, denominator x cube is there, so you don't need to apply the quotient rule is little more steps, because 5 only one variable, so you don't need to apply the quotient rule. If there are two variables, then we need to, two variables means if the denominator also contain x, then you need to use the quotient rule. Okay, first I am going to rewrite y equals x to the power 4 minus x. Here you need to rewrite, what is that, minus root 2. 1 by x means 1 by x is what, x to the power equals x to the power negative 1, because x means x to the power is 1, right? When it goes to the numerator, it becomes x to the power negative 1. X to the power negative 1 minus 7. What is cube root? What is square root x? Square root x means, you don't need to put 2 here. It means square root, x to the power half. What is cube root? Cube root x means x to the power 1 by 3. Okay? Minus 7 times x to the power 1 by 3 minus 5 into 1 by x cube, the same thing. 1 by x cube is what? X to the power minus 3, right? Minus 5 into x to the power minus 3. Okay, now we can differentiate. Dy by dx equals, what is x to the derivative of x to the power 4? 4x to the power 3 minus, what is the derivative of x? Derivative of x to the power 1, right? 1 x to the power 1 minus 1. I am going to write this one is 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, then minus root 2. Root 2 into x to the power negative 1 times negative 1 x to the power negative 1 minus 7 into x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1, right? Sorry, this one I made a mistake. 1 by 3 comes first times 1 by 3, n x to the power n minus 1, n is 1 by 3, x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 5 into, what is the derivative of x to the power? What is the derivative of x to the power minus 3? Times minus 3 x to the power minus 3 minus 1. Okay, simplify. 4 x to the, what is 4 minus 1? 3 minus, see, x to the power 0 is 1, minus 1. Okay, then minus root 2, minus into minus plus. Did you see that? Minus times minus is plus. Root 2, this is into, okay, this is into x to the power minus, what is minus 1 minus 1? X to the power minus 2 minus 7 by 3, 7 times 1 is 7 divided by 3, because 3 is in the denominator. X to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. What is 1 by 3 minus 1? 1 by 3 minus 1. 1 by 3 minus 3 by 3, because I am going to make the denominator same, 3 by 3. Okay, then 1 minus 3 is minus 2 by 3. X to the power minus 2 by 3 minus, what is minus 5 times minus 3? Plus 15 x to the power, what is minus 3 minus 1? Minus 4. You can simplify this little more. See, like 4x to the power 3 minus 1 plus root 2. What is x to the power minus 2? Divided by x square. Okay. Then minus 7 by 3. This is also x to the power times x to the power 2 by 3 in the denominator. Okay, because the power is negative. Plus 15 by x to the power 4. Or you can write like this, no problem. Okay. Okay, these are the maybe one more problem. Let me see. Yeah, one more problem. Okay. Y equals x square plus x plus 8 by x plus 7 by x square. Okay, dy by dx. First, I am going to rewrite the question. X square plus x plus 8 x to the power minus 1 plus 7 x to the power minus 2. Okay, dy by dx equals, what is x to the power 2? Derivative of x to the power 2. 2x to the power 2 minus 1 plus what is the derivative of x? 1. You got it? Because 1 power is 1. 1x to the power 1 minus 1 plus what is the derivative of 8x raised to minus 1? 8 into x raised to minus 1 is minus 1 x to the power minus 1 plus 7 x to, what is the derivative of x to the power minus 2 times minus 2 x to the power minus 2 minus 1. Okay, simplify. 2x to the power 1 plus 1 into x to the power 1 minus 1, 0. 1 into x to the power 0, that is again 1, plus 8. Okay, 8 times minus 1 is minus 8, x to the power minus 1 is minus 2. What is 7 times minus 2? Minus 14, x to the power minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Okay, this is fine. 2x plus 1 minus 8. What is x to the power minus 2? Divided by x to the power 2. Minus 14 divided by x to the power minus 3 is x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 3. You got it? This is the answer. Okay. Okay guys, today we did some easy problems. Maybe tomorrow we can start from trigonometric function, differentiation of trigonometric functions, the problems. Okay, only problems. Okay, we derive all the formulas. Just learn it one more time. Take your pencil and paper and do everything one more time. Okay, thank you.